Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So firstly, tap on this arrow here, then select preferred language. Of course, we select English, tap next, then select your region, tap next, then agree with privacy policy and user agreement, tap next. Then you can connect SIM card, but if you don't have your SIM card on, you can just skip this step and don't do this right now. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi anytime later. Then you have to disable all these switchers here and accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up password, but you can also do this later in settings, or just don't do this at all. This is not essential. Then disable all switchers here. Tap next. Then select default launcher. Tap next and setup complete. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.